Hi, so today I will be looking at USB optical mouse. Okay, before some time ago, you saw my wireless optical mouse unboxing video, and I got this USB optical mouse. Okay, why? I already had wide optical mouse, but that size was small. Okay, so I want large size mouse. Okay, I'll show you that. Here, okay, I'll show you this one way. And there is something I want you to understand. Okay, as I already have a wide USB mouse, and I bought another wide USB mouse. Why? Because this size was tiny. Okay, it's very small. Okay, so for my work I feel more convenient on big size mouse. Okay, so I bought this. And another thing, this was already a big size. Okay, wireless mouse. And why did I bought this again? Because I had big size. Okay, I had to do this because this mouse battery backup was the company claimed to be of 12 months, but it's so not true. Okay, given condition that I was using this mouse. Okay, with its factory brand new battery which I got, and it was this battery was over like within 1.5 to 2 months. Okay, and I was amazed. I was hoping it should be working like 12 months. If not even 6 months would be okay, but 1.5 is just not okay. Okay, and I bought another battery, and it was also finished within 2 months. Okay, my way of using was here. You see on off. I used to put it on every time. Okay, I used to not put it in off. Okay, I used to use, and I used to leave it. Okay, and this was going for 2 months duration, and the battery, single battery, was over within 2 months. Okay, fresh single battery. Okay, and here I don't like to do this on off every time. Okay, because I don't remember when I will be going out, when I'm coming, when I will be working. Okay, and every time, oh, I forgot to switch off my mouse. That will be just not good. Okay, not convenient. Okay, so it must have intelligent system. Okay, which will power off its function to save battery, but it didn't do so. Okay, it just finished your battery very soon. Okay, and if you don't want to be bothered with this on off switch, this may result you expensive. Okay, I was expecting that in wireless mouse there would have been smart power off technology. Okay, that helps to save battery when it's not in use, but it didn't happen so, and battery was just drained. Okay, within 2 months. Okay, the company claim was 12 months. Okay, and it's and I have to change the battery after 2 months. Okay, and I did that 2 times, and then I just realized this is not fun. Okay, just consider buying such technology. I'm not saying about this particular brand. Okay, such technology. Okay, it says 12 months to work, but it's not working, not for even 2 whole months. Okay, so it might make you bored. already rich might make you more poor if you are already poor, okay, and might make you beggar if you are already more poor, okay. So for my work, now I plan to avoid it, okay. And I bought a USB mouse just for some presentation and like that thing. It's okay, but for using it in your daily life, it's not convenient, okay. Things will go expensive, okay. This battery was here 10 rupees, but after some time, not even a year, its price was 15 rupees. Every rupees was increased more, okay, suddenly. And changing this battery after every 1 to 1 for this mouse will be expensive, okay. Okay, here I got new USB mouse. It's genuine, okay. I bought from good shop, actually very old shop, where I bought my first computer, okay. It's Megatech. It is genuine, mostly genuine, because it's a good shop here, okay. Okay, now let's see this product, okay. And this same mouse I was seeing in the internet. It was only like 300 rupees, 300 to 400 rupees, okay. 300 and 350 rupees, like it cost me 600 rupees, okay. But this is genuine, okay. Don't know, but let's see, okay. Okay, and this is our mouse here. It's a Dell brand, USB optical mouse, and model number is Ms111, okay. Yes, you can see its information here. This mouse is imported in India, okay, and through India it came here, okay. It's opened. It's still open because I opened at the shop just to test it with my finger size, okay. So I've already opened it there, okay. And there is some parts here. It's safety, environmental, and regulatory information, okay. Here it's given. Just read it. And it's like a warranty card for consumers in mainland China only. Okay, it's not for us, okay. And here is a serial number and the product, okay. Don't worry, we'll scan this code, okay. I'll be scanning and this code as well, okay. Here also it is given to see whether it matches or not, okay. Here is the serial number of this mouse, okay. And here also three place, okay. I'll show you that in picture, but for now I'll read it, okay. CNSOX S9 DCG 71616 4AS 1TWQ. Yes, it matched, okay. Yes, CMOX9 DCG 71616 4AS 1TWQ AO3. It's AO3, okay. Yes, it has matched, okay. for my this wireless mouse, serial number didn't match with the box. Okay, here its serial number was 1 and the box serial number was another. Okay, not only that, its model number even didn't match. Okay, in box it was written M10 plus, but here it's written only M10. Okay, and yes, for more information I have already made its unboxing video. You can watch it there. Okay, here it's saying its model number is MS111. Okay, and it's written here its model number is MS111 and ST. Okay, here it's written in very thin letter. Okay, just see. So this mouse has been imported by Dell India Private Limited. Okay, in the year November 2014, but I bought this in 2019. Okay, and as this mouse has been imported by valid Dell importer. Okay, Dell India Private Limited. Hey, so it's a genuine product. Okay, and all the serial number also matched. Okay, yes. So let's see these three mouse comparatively. Okay, in this all three mouse, this is more big in size. Okay, and this is the smallest. Okay, you can see it's so tiny. Okay, so it was a little difficult for me to work. Okay, and I bought this. This was okay. Okay, but its battery backup was terrifying. Okay, and this is just okay. Okay, yeah, it's okay. Yeah, but this is so tiny. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I'll be inserting this mouse in my USB port. Okay, yeah, the light has blown. Okay, and let's test it. Yeah, it's working. Okay, and yes, it's like this.